My name is Mecha. I am going to wipe out the Beffa and Grandma Pina once and for all, along with all the grumpy cats in this filthy city. Ah, interesting. That is just my kind of thing, boss exterminating cats. Where are you guys? Lampo, Melady, Pillow, Meatball. You were talking about the Izota, that girl who was crazy about cats. But unfortunately, I am going to have to get rid of her too, boss. He defecates. I've been waiting for you. Whereas the band, Play Me Your Children's Song, Hi Grandma Pina, or Put That Roll of Pasta Down. Don't be afraid, because I am going to burn your dinner with my metal claws. Where are you, Izota? I am just a cute little kitten.